What's going on?
No, they're trying to get in my truck because my boyfriend left.
You don't have any weapons on you, ma'am?
No.
Do you mind just lifting up your shirt and turning around for me so I can see? Other side. Hey, put your hands on your head for me, ma'am. Put your hands on your head.
I'm not going to.
Ma'am?
I'm not going to. I just want them in there.
Put your hands on your head and turn around and face away from me. Put your drink down.
You should probably go off and back up.
Put your hands on top of your head and turn around and face away from me. I'm going to be out with the subject on the northeast corner of 27th Avenue, Yanceville. Records that shots fired. I believe she's armed. She's compliant right now. I just need another unit.
Ma'am, start walking backwards.
I'm not walking nowhere. You touch me, I'm going to kill myself. What a gun.
What's your name? Helen? Helen, I need you to start making your way back here towards the patrol vehicles, because what's going to happen is we have a lot more officers that are on the way, and what is going to happen either way, we need to speak with you and you need to comply with us. So either you start doing that now with us, or there's going to be a lot more other people and somebody could get hurt. I do not want that for you, Helen.
Don't be looking at us! Face away!
Keep calling her back to us.